Well-prepared homes sell up to 73% faster, increasing buyer interest and overall sales success. Strong curb appeal could boost home value by up to 7%, driving more showings. Minor repairs and simple upgrades typically raise home value by 1 to 3%. Decluttering can increase sale price by $2,584 on an average, while making spaces feels larger. Staging reduces market time by 33 to 50% and can raise offers 6 to 20%.